So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the K&F Concept Wireless Lavalier Microphone. I've seen quite a few reviews of it online, and so I'm just going to do an unboxing video, and probably I will do a sound comparison video at the end. The manual that comes in English. Yay! Oh, it's Mandarin too. So the microphone actually comes in this set. One of it is the transmitter, another one is the receiver. So they have a nice little clip-on, nice and tight. Okay, that's nice. It also comes with this, I believe this is like a hot shoe that goes on top of the camera. I do have a problem with this boot type connector. It doesn't fit my DSLR at all. I currently use a Canon 700D. As you can see, it does not fit at all. Anyway, I don't think I can use this, so I'll need to find something else. Just a closer look at the lavalier mic itself. I think it measures at around 1.5 meters maybe. Comes with a nice really fluffy foam around it, like a dead cat. So this is the microphone. It has a nice clasp. This is the other microphone that came with the pack. So I think it's supposed to be some sort of like microphone that you use like this, and then you use it as like a handheld microphone. They also have a nice fluffy dead cat. It's significantly larger, and I like to think it's more a directional microphone since it has this surface here that kind of implies it is supposed to be spoken to in this direction. But then again, it also have some of these here, which could be a unidirectional microphone. And this is the audio cable, I believe, for the transmitter, and then the other side of it goes into my camera. So these are the stuff that came in the package. Now that we're done with the unboxing, what I'm going to show you guys next is some audio example of the lavalier mic in action. This is audio demo of myself talking with the lavalier mic around my collar. I am somewhat around 2 to 3 meters away from the camera, so I'm not going to walk away. I'm going to move around. So I'm going to open the door and get out of the room, and now I have a wall in between us, and I think I'm effectively around 4 to 5 meters away from the camera. The volume for the transmitter is actually set to around 15 or 16, I can't remember, but the recommended one was actually 4 to 5. So I'm not sure if that would affect the result, but I'm going back into the room now to see if there is any difference in the sound quality. So now I'm effectively 3 to 4 meters away from the camera, at the exact same position I was testing with the lavalier mic. For demonstration's sake, I'm still going to do the same thing, and now I'm going to walk towards the camera and going towards the door. I'm going to go out of the door and see if it can record the same audio. Okay, so I'm testing the lavalier mic again. This time I've set the volume setting on the transmitter to 4. Hopefully that will cut out a lot of the static background noises that it was exhibiting just now. So now I am 3 to 4 meters away from the camera, starting at the exact same point I always start. Now I'm walking past the camera. I'm gonna go out of the room, so you're gonna hear the door creaking again. And then I'm gonna go out of the room, close the door behind me, and then I'm gonna walk like 3 to 4 meters away from the room. I have a wall in between us, and I think you should still be able to hear me very well. Okay, now the volume is set to Level 2, I'm not sure if there is going to be static noises because when I was previewing the video and audio footage on my camera, it actually sounds not that fantastic. Like I can hear a lot of the environmental static sounds. Now the receiver is still on microphone setting. I will change over to auxiliary setting soon. So now I am standing 2 to 3 meters away from the camera at my usual starting point again. Now I have the other microphone, which I don't really know what it's called, but I have it attached to the receiver and I'm using it as some sort of microphone that is like I'm speaking to it right in front of my face. Pretty sure the sound quality should be better than the Lavalier mic since the microphone seems to be a directional microphone. Yeah, let's see how it turns out. So first impression of the Lavalier Wireless Microphone by K&F Concept is, well, I guess for the price point you can't really expect much, but I am not a fan of this slightly static-ish kind of background sound that is captured. So hopefully it will still be a worthwhile investment since after all it is one of the cheapest in the market and it's the only one that seems to have relatively good reviews. I'm sorry that I'm not like a real audio person, but I think what's most important when you get a Lavalier mic like this is to really test out the quality of how this product works on the field. By sharing this audio and video footage, you guys can get an idea of whether this fits your needs or not. Remember to subscribe if you are interested in following other content that I put out. Bye!